excited dyan.
Oh, we have...
Na?
Makikita niya na yung sulat.
Fucking cow. And then, yeah.
Sana good news.
I don't think there was any more by the time I ate.
Anong meron ulit sa Cavite?
Regana Festival.
I have to leave some area.
Basaan. Basaan.
By the time I went to eat.
Naka-bathing suit ka sa ilalim?
Well, you can set up the colors.
Yes.
Like, surface. Maybe when you're talking, if I want to bring something,
Nakapang-picture ako.
Ha?
I hate that. I'm talking to you.
Nakapang-picture.
I don't need you to back. So I just flip it. And
Nakapang-teacher?
yeah,
Yes. Yan o.
On the
Ay, tatanggalin mo after.
okay.
Uy.
No,
Okay. Pero sa ilalim may bathing suit.
I just put it on.
she's
Bakit?
Basahan ka may bathing suit ka.
I have to go look.
Sila lang mag-perform lang kami. Ano to?
Sila.
Flip that.
Anong kakantin mo?
And they don't.
And I put Bill.
That stays on.
Oh, I like pa ba? Paulit-ulit lang tayo, please.
Ano nga?
Kahit ayaw mo na. Nakangiti.
It's so.
See how long it takes.
Minamasdan kita. Hindi mo alam.
Napangarap kong ikaw ay akin. Diba?
Uy, nag-vocalize.
No, I don't need, diba? Kasi gusto ko raw kung ano yung lumabas yun.
I know Lisa back in the day.
Dito na ba ako yung kasi ay nakakailangan mag-practice. Gusto ko kung ano yung lumabas yun na yun. Ayoko i-practice.
Wow.
Sige.
And then the guys are downstairs.
Good for you. You know, that's like very professional of you.
Of course. Diba?
Yeah, wow.
But I don't use microphone. Ano nga, diba? I don't bow on microphone. Like you.
That's
Diba? Yes.
ano ba nangyari? Bakit ako nagpapalakpak dito?
No, because we flipped this. Somebody come in, the waiter, the server, and then somebody came and said, "Can I help you?" Yeah, can I have some water? And then, why they don't tip this? They already know. And the girl said, "No, you are there. Why you don't want to flip it with me?" And then they got him.
Alis na kami ng Aruba bukas.
Bukas. Anong
Bukas na
oras?
papuntang airport. Alis kami ng 11 a.m.
Boy, excited dyan.
Oh, we have.
Na?
Makikita niya na yung sulat.
Fucking cow. And then, yeah.
Sana good news.
They just put shopping all that they like to eat. So, you know,
Pagbukas ko, sorry.
they're gonna keep bringing you all the food.
Sorry, but I'm not ready.